Good morning to be crew. Today is cloudy day again. It is quite gloomy, and also yesterday weather was quite crazy. Raining a lot, but strong wind too. We didn't know it was a typhoon, and actually in the morning our neighbor told us. We didn't know they were there yesterday. I guess they arrived, I don't know, some time in night. Today my condition is not that great. But Mark went outside and talked with them, and then he's gonna tour the van. While he's doing it, I'm gonna stay in the bed.
Hello.
Hi there, alright?
Hello. I'm
Right.
here to intrude on you guys.
Yeah, come on in.
We're Jodie and Joe, we're from London. We've been living in our van full time for about a year now.
So we've got a Peugeot Boxer L3H2. So it's not the longest one, but it's second to longest. So we've got quite a lot of room.
For us, we're very short people.
So I'll take a step in. Oh, wow, this is roomy. So this used to be a cargo van, I guess. And there
Yeah,
was
it did, yeah.
Bulkhead right here.
Yeah, I think it was a construction worker's van. In the UK, we drive on the right,
Yeah.
so our driving seat is on the right hand side.
We used to have a swivel seat on the front, on the driver's seat, but it was
Uh-huh.
actually stolen.
Yeah, it was steal that kind of stuff?
Yeah.
People steal
We would-
anything in London.
We were installing our diesel heater, which is underneath the van.
Uh-huh.
So we took the chair off. Whilst it was detached on the drive, I went inside to get some cereal, and when I came back, it was gone.
You're kidding.
You don't even get 30 seconds to go and eat something in London without somebody stealing whatever you've left. We built our own table and chairs.
Okay,
Like
sweet.
these, both of these are made out of parts of our old mattress.
Oh, this is quite nice. Addition right here.
Oh yeah, we were gifted those by some strange people who walked by, and we've presented them to
I
you.
wonder who, huh?
We cut our windows out ourselves,
Oh,
and we've
nice.
got this sliding window, but we actually glued it in way too tight. So. And we've put some insulation over it, and then just some carpet felt, which makes it look a little bit nicer. But
We've
like
not done-
like everything, it's still work in progress.
That's the thing. This
Yeah.
van looks lovely from a distance. As soon
Yeah.
as you start like poking at stuff, you start to see the
Yeah,
cracks.
never look too carefully in any van. So I see your controller here is for the heater.
That diesel heater is actually brilliant. It like heats the whole van up in about a minute and a half.
Yeah, and it's something that I think is like quite necessary here in the UK. I
Yeah,
mean,
it gets
Yeah.
cold.
We don't have a diesel heater, so we actually use an electric heater.
Oh right.
So we're screwed.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah. Got some
What's this
visitors.
up here?
Oh, this is you.
That's just because we have a YouTube channel as well. We have lights all around the van. Do you want to show them the fridge?
Oh yeah, we bought this fridge.
Sweet.
It's quite a large one actually for inside a van.
Oh, that is huge.
And it's got a little freezer compartment at the top, so we can always have ice lollies if we get
Nice.
too cold and stuff. I don't think we've got very much healthy stuff in the fridge, so don't judge
I
us.
saw the Guinness. That's pretty healthy, right?
This is our water cupboard. So this is our drinking water, 25 litres. The water purifier at the back.
This is our drinking water.
So we've got a 75 litre tank underneath.
From the main tank.
Yeah, so this is, I wouldn't drink it.
You have an induction
Yeah,
stove
we
as
do.
well.
Yeah.
Yeah, we use it all the
Always.
time.
Because we've got such a large battery storage.
Battery
You're gonna have
bank.
to show me that one too.
Yeah.
And if I
Okay.
can get here.
Yep. Is that a rice cooker?
Oh, I wish. No, we couldn't store it. This is our Ninja Foodie, so it's kind of like an oven.
As British people, you absolutely need an oven, right?
Yeah, we can't cope without, but we can get like a whole roast chicken done in
Oh,
here.
you're kidding. Wow.
We do roast potatoes.
We did a full Christmas dinner in this van.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Look how nice the van looks with the wide angle, right?
Yeah, it does. It looks a lot bigger than it is as well.
Yeah.
Our drop-down TV. We couldn't cope without this TV. That fan is also pretty good.
And you've got the Max fan as well.
Yeah. Should we
That-
show him our Nightmare
Right.
Max fan?
That thing needs to die. It is the most irritating piece of
Really?
machinery I've ever had.
So we've got a rule with no phones in the bed,
Uh-huh.
and this is why.
Okay. Let's see this.
So you just want to, relax, go on your
Yeah.
phone,
Yeah.
scroll a bit of Instagram. There we go. It interferes with it and it turns the fan off just periodically.
Oh, somehow it can send a signal to the fan.
Yeah.
It's really annoying.
And then it starts beeping, it goes into this auto mode. So the only way we can use our phones in bed is if we angle it so nothing aims, anytime it goes like this or this, interferes.
That's insane.
Very
Wow.
annoying. But other than
Never-
that, it's a good fan.
Wow.
Oh, here's a essential. We also have electric blanket for in winter.
We've also got our trusty panic alarm should the need ever arise.
Nice.
Do you want to show him how that goes?
I do not want to show him how that goes because he will lose his ears.
We'll just take your word for that
It's
one.
very loud.
Okay. Oh, I love your small windows. These
Oh
are
yeah,
really
these
cool.
little ones. We also put these ones in a little bit tight as well.
Yeah. Let's talk about this bed.
This mattress was originally a king size mattress,
Uh-huh.
and we couldn't fit a king size mattress in
Yeah.
here, so we cut it in half.
Okay.
And that's why it's a little bit, it's all a little
nice.
bit funny shaped and a bit wobbly.
That's quite thick.
Yeah.
It's very thick.
Yeah,
And we
it's
use
quite
the
nice.
leftover foam to make our chairs.
Yeah,
So we
right.
just wrapped it in fabric and stapled it in. I'm 5'1.5".
Oh, let's take a
You
look at
could
this.
probably get about 6 foot on the bed.
Okay, so you got plenty of room there. Nice.
Yeah, we're fine.
And luckily, because we can fit in long ways, it means we don't have to have the bed taking up more room.
Yeah.
So we can squeeze it there, and then we have all this room here.
Sometimes it pays to be short. Don't open it.
Oh,
but-
that's it, the Thetford toilet. So this has been pretty good.
Great toilet debate in van life. Do you
Yeah.
need one or do you
Oh,
not?
you
Yeah,
need
yeah,
one.
you need one.
one for comfort, for sure.
Okay, so
In
you're
the middle of the night.
So you're part of Team Toilet. Good to know. Okay.
Definitely.
And you got the microwave here as well.
Yeah, we've got a proper microwave.
All the essentials right there.
We've
Very
got
nice.
the USB ports on each side.
Yep. You guys do YouTube, right? And so we were talking a little bit about your channel. Actually, I haven't seen any of your videos yet because you haven't told me your channel.
It is literally our names. It's just Joe and Jodie.
Okay, so it's just.
Isn't it
search-
Jodie and Joe?
Yeah, Jodie and Joe.
I'm pretty sure I'm first.
So you tell them about our channel.
Yeah, our channel, it's only small and it's only just begun really, but it's called Jodie and Joe and it details our move into this van, our build of this van, and our trips around Europe, the UK, and eventually, hopefully, Canada.
Yeah, you're saying that you're possibly going to immigrate to Canada.
Yes.
We initially were working in London, but we were both getting a bit sick and tired of how busy London life is and all the rat race and all of that. So we decided if we sell up and sell our house and all our possessions, we'll buy a van and just spend our time traveling around, see the world, and look for where we want to move to.
Because we knew we weren't happy in London, but we didn't actually know where we wanted to be. It was one of those, we'd never really seen much of the world. We'd only really seen the UK and how you live there.
We could live in the UK and a regular semi-detached house is about £1 million in London, where we are. And for £1 million in Canada, you can have a lakefront house with like acres and acres of land.
Yep.
We applied for our Canadian permanent residency, and that's a 2 to 4 year process. So we got that one done right at the start, just to leave it burning in the background. And in the meantime, we're just seeing the world, see where else we like.
Potentially we'll start ending our vlogs with an A, eh?
Wonder.
All right, let's go. We have to have breakfast and take off, huh? They up the hill already? Oh, they're there.
허니가 만든 미역국인 거네.
Oops.
Guys, we are leaving the spot right now, and we are gonna like slowly move up to the north. And it was nice to stay over here. The weather is not that great. It's still cloudy, gloomy because we are underneath of the typhoon. So we are gonna on the road. Good morning, TV crew. Today we are gonna look around Inverness. Inverness is quite popular places, right? City in
Yeah.
Highland. So it's quite close to the Loch Ness, Lake Ness, Loch Ness.
Oh,
So-
Nessie.
Yeah. Why we are here?
We're gonna do the famous North Coast
500. So 500 means 500 miles, like I think around 800 kilometers trips. So we are gonna do that. That is a really popular one, right?
Super popular.
So we are gonna look at the Inverness and hope that we can try the Scottish food, haggis today too. Okay, we are gonna go to parking lot and cross the finger we can find a spot. Yeah, my sense clear still. Good. Good job. Guys, we parked the TV here. And first spot we just thought about it and then we just like let's check it out other places, but you know, like we went back to first one. Always like that. So we're gonna pay here. Here's 24 hours, £5. I heard that you can park for overnight here. Motorcycle and light goods vehicle include campervan. 그러면 이걸로 한다.
Use another card.
Guys, it's failed. The Korean credit card doesn't work. It's often happened. Yeah, just they don't like a foreign credit card, I guess. 보자. 그래서 코인을 찾아야 돼 무조건. 4파운드잖아. 그리고 이게 지금 10 pence. 됐다. Give me the paper. Give me the paper.
Alright, we got
The wet paper. Yeah, we got it. 내일 12시 22분까지는 꼭 나가야 된다. 뭐해?
Putting on my hiking boots.
너무 추워서. Guys, I said that we are gonna do the NC 500, basically 500 miles along the coastline, and it's really popular. Everyone says it's an amazing road trip through there, and especially West Coast is like scenery and the nature is stunning. But you know what? The East Coast, like you can see the dolphins, reindeer. What you can see? Highland cows. So I'm so excited to see that one. So, anyways, the course usually starts from the Inverness, and people go to the clockwise or anti-clockwise, but we are gonna do opposite way, anti-clockwise, and then like the West Coast will be the last part of it. But anyways, we are in Scotland. We want to try the Scottish food, which is haggis, right? So we found some restaurant around here. Its lunch menu is like a reasonable price for us. Everything is quite expensive. So yeah, we are gonna target the lunch menu, right? Where we are walking right now is the Ness Walk, right next to the Ness River. It's really nice. Water is crazy fast. I look so funny, right? I look like a little snow ball or something like that. But anyways, Inverness is really close to the Loch Ness. Actually, Loch is lake in Gaelic, so if you see the Loch word on the sign, it means lake around you. So yeah, it's 7 minutes away from the restaurant. And yeah, it's a beautiful road. So guys, we are at the restaurant. So we are looking at the lunch menu. We are gonna try the haggis. Haggis are typical like Scottish traditional food. They have a gut from the cows and stuff in the sheep. Yeah, I think when I read it, sheep's stomach.
Oh, sheep's stomach?
Yeah, this is sheep's stomach.
Okay,
The book. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna try it. It tastes like kind of similar with the Korean food, but so yeah, we like that kind of style. So cheers.
We're gonna get the haggis, neeps, and tatties.
Yeah.
Is haggis pronounced haggis or haggis? Haggis. See? And what was the soup that you said?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Chili and coconut.
And that comes with bread?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get one of those.
Perfect. Okay.
And actually, I think that's it, right?
That's fine. Thanks very much.
Alright,
Thank you.
thank you.
Oh, we just leave them on the mats because they're very hot.
Okay.
There we go. Sorry.
Thank you.
There you go. Okay. Right. Enjoy. Okay.
Alright. Wow, that looks so pretty.
Oh my god, 잘 먹겠습니다.
예쁘다.
Smells good too.
Oh, wow.
진짜 맛있겠다. 수프 먼저 먹어볼게요.
네.
엄청 맛있는데? 스윗하다.
그래?
Should I try?
Mhm.
Can I try first?
Yeah, yeah.
오, 이렇게 생겼네? 텍스처 봐. 나 이렇게 나올 줄 몰랐다. 되게 소프트하구나.
맛있나?
It's okay there.
It's good. 약간 순대맛은 안 나는데? 맛있어.
What is that you're eating now?
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
How can you call that one?
Neeps.
Nips, yeah.
So, what are neeps?
I don't know, you told me, but I forgot.
This is the haggis here. And this is the neeps, which is a kind of turnip, yellow turnip. And this is the tatis, which is potato.
소스가 진짜 맛있다.
And this is a creamy whiskey sauce.
소스 진짜 맛있어.
So this is quite traditional here, right?
Oh, I can finish this one by myself. Seriously.
Can you?
It's really good.
Should we order another one?
Okay, yeah, try.
Okay.
맛있지?
Oh,
It doesn't
really
taste
good.
like a sundae, but it's good, right?
Oh, hi, how are you?
소스가 장난 아니지? No? You don't want to try it?
I'll try.
맛있지?
Oh, it's perfect combination.
How was your experience with haggis?
Ooh, I really like it. Yeah, buy some more.
So I heard that like there's the supermarket or butcher shop you go, they sell haggis, right? So you just need to cook it. So maybe we are gonna try it. We like it, right?
Yeah.
This is really like comfy feeling on
I
your
wonder if
tummy.
they make the neeps too for you.
How possible, right? Yeah. Alright, should we look around? Alright. 여기 성당인 것 같거든요, right? Look at this. Wow. So guys, we are gonna cross that bridge for the pedestrians. I'm really full. I felt like haggis when I got it. I was hungry and I thought I can finish it by myself. I thought I can finish by myself. Now I'm so stuffed.
Everything here is too big for us.
We order one dish and share, or like side dish. It's like perfect for us. Whew. 아, 이쁘다. 근데 바람은 엄청 부네. Oh my god, it's shaking. 여기 물 진짜 빨라요. 막 보고 있으면 막 누가 빨리 감기 한 것 같아. 근데 보행자 다리 사람 걸어다닐 때마다 통통거리면서 막 움직여요. 오. 근데 물보는 진짜 빠르다 속도. 대박. 약간 흔들흔들 다니다. 여기서 누가 한번 뛰면 완전 다들 비명 지를 것 같은데. Guys, we are gonna go to the Lick's bookshop, which is second-use book. It's quite old place. I like the old book smell. 아 여기 그거다. 그 뭐지? Church. 그거 교회 건물을 이걸 바꾼 거야. 지금 뭐 하고?
It's a map of Napoli. So this map is over 100 years old.
You're holding it right
I'm holding it in my hand.
now. Like damage and we have to pay this price.
Yeah.
Please don't.
This one's a little bit more affordable.
Yeah. And we can hang in the urban.
What did you find?
Winnie the Pooh.
Kiddo.
Yeah. Everyone has to keep the kids inside. Make you young, you know? After we saw the second used bookstore, it's really nice. Anyways, we just come across the Victorian Market. It's so warm here. I like it. There's a little shop here so we can see. 약간 시장 그런 음식 그런 거 파는 것 같다. 와우. 진짜 예쁜데? 야, 크리스마스 같다. 진짜 예쁘다, 여러분. 여기 되게 신기하다, 가게가. 여기 재밌네. 도토리.
그때 초콜릿을 만들었네.
Guys, we are back to look at that tree. It's crazy. It's windy today, huh? But when we were there, it's a pretty good. Bird poo. A special thank you to our Patreon and YouTube members. These videos are possible because of your huge support.
Is it safe to go in?
Yeah, get in. If you want to help, there are links to our Patreon and YouTube membership below.